6:10 a.m. Time to wake up my neighbors. First thing you gotta do, bam. Line up, 6-speed G37, 6-speed M4, rare 4.8 IS. Got my boys Accord, my boys Challenger, Audi S4 Stage 3, the baby right there. And we got a little 328 up there. A little fifth gear. First stop, Dunkin Donuts. Two-hour wait to get in. Still on the line. Shoosh! The line is insane. We about to turn around. We tried. We got some sick cars though. Type R, Vet, clean E46, F80. But look at this M5 though. This is mint. This is nice. Bro. This E30, oh my god. Yo, it's two Emola red E39 M5s. We gotta make our own movie because MPACT was not letting us in with all those people. Here we go. Here's a little song. Alright, we got a little VR6 action. Damn, I think I'm gonna have to do a burnout. Still spinning. Woo! Yo! Alright guys, it's now 11 p.m. Just got home from the Poconos, roughly like 300-mile drive. Zero complaints. Like, this car is just amazing. 300 miles of abuse, like pure abuse. I actually got a couple rock chips from trucks and stuff, but I'll take care of that eventually. I was thinking about wrapping the front end before I left, but I just wanted to get there, see how the car worked out, and it did. Like, comment, subscribe, and get ready for a lot more footage. All right, guys, peace. Yeah.